Yeah, I got hit niggas sick that I'm still here. I'm still on the hill, I can make.
Alright guys, we just pulled up to the car meet. Went ahead and popped the hood to cool down the engine. So nothing too crazy under the hood. Not yet. Cruise down with a couple people. If you guys see my IG story, I raced this guy. The Pro Charger. Got an i8 over there, Evo 8. And then you got a GTR over here.
Yeah, Mission. Yeah. So this one came from my EVA GTR.
Got a GTR. That's probably the first time I've seen some almost like chrome red. But I've definitely seen this car before.
Yeah. It's like I want to get
Definitely a clean build. Integra Type S over there. A couple of MK5 or MK5 Supras. I really like the headlights that he did on it. They have changing lights. E92. I don't know. For me, I would probably trade my Hellcat for one of these. If I really wanted one of these, and just either supercharge them or pro charge it. These definitely sound great with exhaust. $350 or $370, can't really tell when it comes to these.
Finish the roof, man. Yeah, it's a small roof, so
F-150.
That's why you on the side of the road.
yeah.
That's why you flying by and I was like, oh shit.
Good blood by.
Got a ripple on it.
Been overheated. I'm to the limit on that 6-rib bill.
Oh yeah, you have to put one of that one. Well, I was just telling you, mine would blow that shit in a heartbeat. You got to go with it.
It makes 1,000 to the wheel with a 6-rib on it.
No slip.
Excellent.
I ain't gonna lie. Hearing that quiver with the cam, oh no, bro. I really want to cam my car, but it's like $6,000 to cam it. Which is, I don't know, it's worth it. It is a lot of stuff you gotta take off of it, but it's kind of worth it. And then you get top end speed with it. But that's probably gonna be the last thing I'll probably do to is cam it. Because that's a lot of money to spend on it. I'd rather buy a supercharger before doing that. Velcro, bro. I don't know. I'm not a fan of the front end of these.
Yeah.
Got a Hellcat Durango and track car. Finally, I get to see my people. Every time I go to a car meet, you barely even see any Mopars driving around. Got an RDRA, one of the new ones with the front end. Lexus RCF, one of my dream cars. But definitely blue interior. Definitely good looking. But it sucks that they getting rid of this car. Got a E92. Z06. Got the little G80 over here. These are BBS's.
Trade it in for a trailer.
Definitely good looking. Love the Island Man green. Probably gonna head over there, see. There's probably gonna be a lot of exotic cars over there, or a lot of nice cars over there.
Them right there.
Got a bunch of cars coming still. I think it's an M8. Yeah, no, M5. I don't know. The M8 and M5 look the same with the front end. Definitely a nice color. Another GTR. I don't know why all of a sudden I'm starting to see a lot of GTRs now.
What?
So imagine if you charge it full price, it'd be like $120 for
R7. Got an M2 over there. Old school Corvette, M3. Definitely a nice color. It's probably not a gray. Definitely get this car good. Little Datsun Fair Lady. Shack Pack GT500. And R33 GTR. I definitely like how the R34, the R33 GTRs look. I don't know why a lot of people don't like them, but they definitely look good. I don't know if it's just because they're longer and bigger. Yeah, all GTRs are all-wheel drive.
All of them.
Yeah, anything that have a GTR on them is all-wheel drive. Anything that's GT is rear-wheel drive. Yep, but this one is the R33. Definitely a crazy build. They got a Corvette engine in it. Damn, you got the duct in and everything. Definitely want full send track car. We got two G80s. G82, G80. And you can see the difference between the Adro and the regular front bumper. If you like the Adro front bumper, I don't know. I kind of like the new one too that they just came out with. Then we got the red interior. We got the red interior, and this one is manual.
What's gonna happen on that one day?
Yeah, so you got the little Honda compactor to match it. Got Z06. Damn. This joint is definitely clean. They gotta be cheap to do cams. Every time I see a Corvette, bro, they always cam. They gotta be cheap to be doing it for them. Got a little Gelato.
I'm gonna have you not quite
M2CS. Got over there Porsche. Definitely a pink spec. Manual.
Yeah, I like these until I see the price. I was like, dig it.
Mercedes AMG. Little GC3. Got a lot of nice Porsches out here. Little school ones.
Yeah, I called out. I'll be back.
Little GT.
He came through based on everything.
So you got a Whipple on there. Definitely a beautiful car.
One day.
One day.
The GG5.
Every single one of those ever had. He has one that comes out of party inside of
There you go. GC3 RS. Y-Sac package.
Take it off.
Yep.
Definitely a beautiful car, bro.
Exactly.
Got a big wing on it for all the downforce.
Never know. But it might be like your boy. What's his name? Mars and Keys or whatever. He's got a block body and never drives.
Like the green, all that.
I won't blame him. You gotta plan our
Definitely all the Porsche people definitely sold out. All these nice colors.
Too many for me to walk around and see a second game.
Yeah. That's
Got Gallardo. A Mercy.
Yeah.
Part 2011.
Damn. Cream interior. Gated.
See smoke, but that's wood.
Of course, Performance be having all these GTS out here.
Take a walk down there.
Every time I see one, always got that sticker on there. Here's the 06.